Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to deposit USDT Tether via the ERC20 network on the ByBit Exchange. You go to the Assets section, click on Deposit. In this section you select the desired coin as well as the network, which in our case is ERC20, and keep in mind that there is no minimum deposit, so you can deposit any amount you wish. In this section, you select your account type. For the deposit, please keep in mind that it must receive a total of 6 block confirmations in order to be fully processed, and for withdrawals, you will need to receive a total of 64 confirmations before the process is complete. In this section, you can see your contract address. And to make a deposit, you can either copy the specified address into your wallet or scan the barcode with your wallet, then enter the desired amount and make the deposit. You confirm this deposit in your wallet, and to check your transaction history, you can see at the bottom of the deposit page that this transaction is pending. And in less than 5 minutes, the deposit is successfully completed. Good luck.